Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shahbaz here. So in this video, you will learn how to calculate and interpret the intraclass correlation coefficient ICC in R. ICC is an important statistical measure we used to assess inter-rater reliability. That is the level of agreement or consistency among two or more raters, observers, judges, or measurements. In this tutorial, you will learn what intraclass correlation coefficient ICC means, when ICC should be used, how to perform ICC analysis in R, how to interpret ICC values, how to assess inter-rater agreement and reliability. So this video is very useful for students, researchers and academicians according to psychology, education, health and any other field. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos on R data analysis. So first of all, we will import dataset in R. So I just give dataset to ChatGPT for coding. We have a dataset of 12 responses and there are 3 items, rater 1, rater 2 and rater 3. So in this way, first of all, we will import the data. We copy this prompt and then paste in R and press enter. So you will see dialog box and then select your dataset and then open. So in this way, your data has been opened in R. Okay, next we select the rater column. So there are 3 survey items. So in this way, we select the by putting coding in R. So these columns have been selected in R. So now we can perform the next analysis easily. Okay, so there is very important to consider that we need 2 packages for this analysis, ICC analysis in R. First is IK and second is Write Excel. So I have already installed both packages in R, so we don't need to reinstall it. Okay, so we can load both packages. We copy this prompt and then paste here and then press enter. So both packages have been loaded in R. So now we go for to calculate the ICC. Copy this prompt and paste here and then press enter. So you can see there is a different categories of intraclass correlation coefficients: single rater absolute, single random raters, single fixed raters, average raters absolute, average random raters, average fixed raters. So there are number of subject, we mean responses 12 and the number of judges 3. So it means you can also see the upper and lower boundary of confidence interval. 0 doesn't come between any of lower and upper boundary, so it means there is a significant reliability. So you can also see here the p-value in each case. The p-value in each case is less than 0.05. So on the other hand, we can see here the ICC value for single raters absolute is 0.66 and random raters there is also a value 0.66 and F statistics you can also see here. Okay, so we also consult the values for ICC according to our presentation. So because we are measuring ICC in R, ICC is appropriate when the same cases receive repeated ratings. 3 raters independently score the same student classroom performance from 1 to 5. Do the raters provide sufficiently consistent or absolute agreement scores or not? So this is a research question. So we are testing all 4 ways. And absolute agreement analyzes systematic differences between raters. Use it when raters should give the same scores. And consistency we see focuses on whether raters rank targets similarly even if one rater score consistently higher. So we have a data set here as I uploaded in R. So this is the threshold of ICC because we get value 0.66, 0.85. So according to our threshold value, our value is between 0.5 to 0.7, so which indicate a moderate reliability of survey items. So in this way we can check the ICC in R. Okay, so now we see the next. Okay, so we also see the all ICC results. We copy this prompt and then paste here. Okay, you can see here ICC1, ICC2, ICC3. The value is same as we just found in the previous test, 0.0 to 0.66. And you can see here 0 doesn't come between the lower and upper boundary confidence interval within any ICC, and the p-value is also less than 0.05. So there is a good and moderate reliability according to our threshold value. Okay, so now we see the ICC 2K. So we copy this prompt and then paste here. Okay, we can see here there is a type ICCF, degree of freedom to 1, p-value lower bound, and you can see 0 length row names. So we just set the criteria, and now we set the criteria for other ICC3. Okay, so we also set the criteria of, okay, now we interpret as we consulted the PowerPoint presentation. So now we will save all results in Excel as usual we do in each video, then press and you can see here. So in this way you can do the intra-class correlation coefficient in R. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.